Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are all doing great out there. So, this video is going to be about how I'm going to recover from my losses. As you can see, I have TQQQ, which is a triple leverage NASDAQ 100 stock. Basically tracks the 100 it basically tracks 100 companies in the NASDAQ, technology companies within the NASDAQ. And it is triple leverage, so that means it's a little more volatile. It's good for short term trading. It's not really good for long term holding. As you can see, I have about, I do have 150 shares, an average cost of 132.62. So in this video, I'm going to go through my strategy, what I'm going to do tomorrow morning, what I'm going to get into tomorrow morning to make some profits while I wait for the stock to recover. Before I get started, just want to let you know that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Also, want to ask you guys, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm down. As you can see, I'm down a little over $2,000 and a little over 10%. Stock did have a decent day today. You know, just up 4 cents, but after hours was where it really shot up a little bit. So let me just tell you what exactly went down with this play for me, and then I'll get to the option that I'm gonna be selling. All right. So what happened was I actually got in 30 shares of this stock about 2 weeks ago. So I got in at 138. I had about 30 shares, and then it continued to drop. I really wasn't expecting tech earnings to be this horrible. Last week were tech earnings, and even though these mega tech companies, the big four, they really crushed their numbers, and everyone dropped except for Alphabet, Google. So the stock, actually QQQ and TQQ, really took a hit because of tech earnings last week, and also with all the volatility with elections coming up. So I do expect this stock to recover after election, going into November. So with that being said, as you can see, I have 150 shares. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be selling calls on this stock. All right. So what you want to do is you want to click on trade options. So since I do have 150 shares, you need 100 share. You need at least 100 shares to sell one contract of a call, right? So a covered call. So that basically means, as you can see, the share price is 119 currently, and I have the expiration to November 6th. So basically, what I'm saying is, when we're selling a call at expiration, I think the stock is gonna be, I think the stock is gonna be below the strike price that I choose, right? So since my average price is around 132, I'm gonna go ahead and choose 132.50. All right, so I'm gonna click on that, and as you can see, the total credit comes up here. So that basically means 1.53 times 100, $153 if this stock stays below 132. So you guys see what I'm doing here, right? So let's say if the stock stays where it's at by Friday, instead of making no profits, I'll make $153 if the stock just trades sideways. However, if the stock does shoot up to, let's say, 130, that's great because I'll recover most of my losses, and also I'll get this premium. So that's pretty sweet. However, if the stock does, let's say, goes to 133, I'm cool with that because my whole goal is to make some potential money while I wait for my stock to recover. Right? So next, you want to hit continue, and you can see I have one contract in here because I have 150 shares. That allows me to sell only one covered call, and then whatever limit price you want to enter in here to get into the trade. So I think we're gonna have a green pre-open, so I'm just gonna leave this at 2, just a little extra profit while we wait for the stock to recover. Alright guys, so that's the strategy I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna keep selling covered calls on my TQQQ. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, would love to know what you guys' favorite stock is, what option strategies you guys use. Just let me know in the comment section below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching.